guys, and welcome back to round 4. Today we're going to make this sunburst into a square. So as always, take your next colour and attach in whichever way is best for you. Yarn over and pull up a loop. So we're going to start off with a cluster of 3 treble crochets. So in the US that would be a double crochet. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So into the next gap between the stitches we're going to do a cluster of 3 half treble crochets. So in the US that would be half doubles. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, and again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, and one more time. Into the next gap we're going to go back and do another cluster of 3 treble crochets. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 2 more. 1, 2. So into the next gap we're actually going to make our corner. So to do this we're going to do a cluster of 3 double trebles. So it would be a treble in the US. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over twice, 1, 2, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and one more. Chain 2 for our corner, and then we're going to go back into that very same space with another cluster of 3 double trebles. That's 1, 2, 3. We're then going to start that pattern again. So into the next gap we're going to do a cluster of 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. Into the next space a cluster of 3 half trebles. 1, 2, 3, another cluster of 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, and then form a corner, so double trebles, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 for the corner, then another cluster of double trebles, 1, 2, 3. and then the pattern starts again. So trebles, half trebles, trebles, double trebles for the corner. So if you just want to pause the video here and make your way back around, if you get stuck just rewind a bit and watch me do it again, and I'll meet you back here for joining. So I've made my way all the way around and all that's left to do is join this round. So as always, in the top of this initial chain 3 we insert our hook, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook for a slip stitch, yarn over, snip and pull tight to secure. So that's round 4 where we've made our sunburst into a square. Now you can add another row to this if you would like. If you do make another row you would just continue with trebles, so you wouldn't need the double trebles in the corner or the half trebles on the middle bit, you'd just do trebles all the way around. Or you can join these together as they are, it's totally up to you, but I do think that they make a lovely granny square for a blanket. So I really hope you enjoyed this little series of tutorials for the Sunburst Granny Square. They are very beautiful and would make a lovely blanket for a present. If you did enjoy, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also click the bell notification button to be notified when any further tutorials have been uploaded. Thanks again for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye.